Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook ground beef with green beans and corn. Okay, so it's very simple dish. Okay, so we need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, the corn, and then the green beans, the beef, the onions, garlic, spring onions. First, because there's a lot of oil, so that we can get rid some of the oil. Okay, so this one I just put a little oil. Guys, so we're gonna cook this one, and then before we put the garlic, onions, and the rest of the ingredients, because there's a lot of oils will come out maybe. Okay, so okay guys, so naluto na, daghan na oil yung gawas. Ako lang binlan o gamay kay para panggisa sa lamas. Okay, now we gonna saute the garlic. And then the onions. And then some of the green onions. Okay. Okay, nauna ni siya guys. Ang ato ang ground beef. Okay. And then the corn. And then black pepper. And some salt. Their sauce, guys. Okay guys, so we're gonna simmer this one for a few minutes, maybe 3 minutes, para maluto ang beans. So we're gonna cover first. Okay. Look at that one, it's already cooked. Okay. Guys, it's super yummy. Our ground beef with green beans and corn. Ground beef with green beans and corn is done, and it's super yummy, guys. Okay, guys, so it's tasting time, guys. Oh, yummy. Look at this one. Okay, we just need a little salt. Again. Okay. It's okay na. So guys, so I'm gonna off the heat. So that's our ground beef with green beans and corn. It's done. It's very simple dish, and it's very yummy. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching!